Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this faded background behind person video edit on CapCut PC. I'm just going to quickly find like a video of a person here, and I'm just going to put it like on top, and I'm also going to find like a background, like maybe this one. So select the object, go to cutout and select auto cutout like so. And you are going to select the background, you're going to select mask, and you're going to select the horizontal one, and you're going to rotate it this way or wherever the person is, maybe to the right or to the left. Then you're just going to simply feather that out for that faded effect, and you're going to just fade it up to 100. You can also like change the background color if you'd like to, so go to basic, go to canvas, and I'm just going to maybe select this like purple one to match the purple of that. Maybe like let's use the color thing and choose like this one for instance. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!